Jai Srimannarayana. 6th sloka of 8th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam tyajatyante kalebaram tam tamevaiti kaunteya sada tadbhava bhavitaha. Om. Sri Krishna Paramatma is stating that whatever the concept, whatever an image floats in your thoughts at the time of your last breath, that is what you will become in your next life. In our history, King Bharata, he was thinking of animal deer at his last breath. He became animal deer in his next life. So make sure only Sri Krishna Paramatma floats in your thoughts all the time. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall make sure only your divine image floats in my thoughts all the time. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 55th day. Sota Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, the baby girl who slipped off from Kamsa's hands became Durga Devi, appeared to Kamsa and saying like this, 'O Kamsa, kim maya hataya manda jatah khalu tavanta krit.' What is the use of killing me? Yatra kvava purva shatrur mahimsihi krupanan vrudha." The enemy to you, the one who is going to kill you, na sarasanjaninchi నించంపెడి వీరుడొక్క దశ సత్కృతి నొందెడువాడు దుర్మతి. The one who is going to kill you the Supreme, is already born in some other place. That is why unnecessarily do not kill any more children. Like that Yoga Maya, that Durga Devi said to Kamsa, and then after that, Bahunama Niketeshu Bahunama Babhuvaha, with so many divine names like Durga Devi, Bhadra, Kali, Bhagavati, with so many divine names, she got worshipped by all the people in this world. And she is getting worshipped now. So, Kamsa, after hearing Durga Devi's words, then he went to Devaki Vasudeva and released them from the prison. And with regretting, he is saying like this, Aho Bhaginyaho Bhama Mayavam Batapapmana. Oh my dear sister, oh my dear brother-in-law, I have killed all your children, as and how a demon kills his own children, just like that I killed. I am uncompassionate, I am so cruel. Like that Kamsa talking to Devaki and Vasudeva. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 8th chapter 6th sloka. Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam tyajatyante kalevaram tam tame vaiti kaunteya sada tadbhava bhavitaha. Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam tyajatyante kalevaram tam tame vaiti kaunteya sada tadbhava bhavitaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.